Oh, it's the Rogue varietal. Look at this. I mean, just look at the vines. They just want to survive.
Riesling is queen to me. I think Riesling has more acidity than any other varietal. It's the most food-friendly, versatile varietal there is.
They're so resilient. They get a bad rap sometimes, so like they're misunderstood.
I think that Riesling is underappreciated, but deserves love from everyone.
It can express itself in every possible way, and Chris makes it, and he's kind of a badass.
It just is. It's like inherently badass. To me, the flavor profile is what it can be. It can be so many different things and yet be so absolutely wonderful as all those different things. And then just adding time into it, one of the most age-worthy wines out there. It's just amazing how good they can be.
Riesling is badass. In fact, cheers to that.